how to log in to My Simba app. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log into the My Simba app. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to log in to your My Simba app, it's actually very simple for us to do so. So what you have to do is first, after making sure you already have a SIM card on My Simba, you go ahead and then just launch the My Simba application after you download them from your app store. Now, as an existing user, you can just type in your Simba phone number that you have. If you don't know your phone number, you can find them in the settings and you can tap the login button to log in. It will verify with an OTP code. Once the OTP code has been verified, you'll be successfully logged into your My Simba account. And if you have not yet have registered for a SIM card, you can apply for a new SIM card by tapping on register for new Simba SIM by verifying with your SyncPass ID and so on. But to give you a basic context, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.